guys, and welcome back to my channel. In fact, welcome to the first vlog of 2021. In this video I'm going to show you guys how I created this simple traditional South Indian look which you guys can carry off on Sankranti or Pongal that's coming up soon. This is for all you girls out there who don't want complicated techniques or tons of product yet wanna look put together and gorgeous. This look is just that. I didn't use a primer, foundation, false lashes, contouring, none of that, but still this look turned out to be so beautiful and gorgeous. So I really hope you guys will enjoy watching this video. Happy Sankranti and Pongal to all of you in advance. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't yet. Also follow me on Instagram and give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoy watching it. Now let's get into the tutorial. So I've already moisturized my face and the first thing I'll be applying is this Rimmel BB cream. I'll not be applying foundation today because I want something light on my skin. And another advantage of not applying foundation is that you can totally skip primer. If you just have a good moisturizer on, you can directly go on and apply this BB cream. I'm taking a bit of the product on the back of my hand, and with my stippling brush, I'll just apply it all over my face. And next I'm going in with my Colorbar Full Coverage Concealer, and whatever imperfections and the spots that the BB cream couldn't cover, the concealer will do it. And then taking my damp makeup sponge, just blending it all out. You can set your face with any loose powder or a compact powder, whatever you have. Today I'll be using the Color Essence Compact Powder in the shade CP4. And taking a fluffy powder brush, just lightly tapping it all over my face. So now that we are done with our base, let's move on to the eye makeup, and let me zoom you guys in. And for eyes today I'll be using the Makeup Revolution Pro palette. Taking a fluffy blending brush, I'm gonna mix the shades Passion and Relentless and apply it on my crease and also on my lids. Make sure most of the products are placed on your outer corners and on your crease, and once all the product is off your brush, drag it on your lids as well, just to have that wash of color, but not too much because we are going in with another shade on the lids. Same thing on the other eyes. Now taking a pencil brush, picking up the same two shades and applying it on my lower lash line as well. If you don't do this step, your eye makeup is really gonna look incomplete. Next I'm picking up this shade called Advocate. This is a golden shimmery shade, so I'm picking it up on my fingers and applying it only on my lids. If you want more shimmer, you can go in with another coat. Now I'm taking the first blending brush and just dusting off and just blending the two shades together so that there are no harsh lines between the glitter and the eyeshadow. Now I'll be applying the Maybelline Colossal Black Eyeliner. If you have hooded eyes, make sure that you don't apply a very thick layer of eyeliner in the inner corners of your eye. It's really gonna make your eyes even more small. Make sure it's really fine and thin here, and then here on the outer corners, if you want, you can make it a little more thicker. So I'm applying it really close to my lash line, and once I reach halfway through, I'm gonna make it thicker. Today I'll be just making a small wing, nothing too dramatic. And now for the lower lashes, I'll be applying the Faces Canada Ultimate Pro Kajal. Now the trick to make your kajal smudge proof is take a small pencil brush, pick up a bit of black eyeshadow and just apply it right below your waterline. This way you're making sure that your kajal will not smudge throughout the day. And since this is a really simple traditional look we are going for, I'm not going to be applying any false lashes on myself. So I'll be applying a mascara instead, and I'm going to apply 2 coats of it because I don't want my lashes to look too dead. So first I'll be curling my lashes, and then I'll be applying 2 coats of my L'Oreal Paris False Lash Superstar Mascara. So this mascara has a primer wand and a mascara wand, so I'll be using both today. So I'll let the primer set for a bit and dry, and then I'll go in with the mascara. This will really help your lashes to get more volume and to look more thicker. So when you're applying mascara, make sure that you drag the outer corners of your lashes outwards, and when you come towards the inner corner, drag it towards your nose, and in between you can just do the forward motion. This way this really opens up your lashes and it'll look like a fan, and it'll really help you open up your eyes. Now that we are done with our eyes, let me just quickly fill in my brows, and I'll be using the shade called Influence to fill in my brows. Now I'm going in with the blush, and today I'll be using the Maybelline Master Blush palette. I will not be contouring my face because this is a really simple look to carry off at home, so I think it's really not necessary to contour the face for this kind of look. So I'll be mixing in this pink shade and the peach shade in between and apply it on the apples of my cheeks. So when you're applying blush, make sure you have this swooping outwards kind of motion. And just don't apply it exactly only on the apples of your cheek because it's gonna look really patchy. So if you want to look natural, just have this movement. And if you apply a little more blush on your face, it's absolutely fine because blush is the first thing that tends to fade throughout the day. So it's fine if you go a little overboard. And in case you still feel that you have applied a lot of blush, take the powder brush, dip it in a little bit of a loose powder or compact powder and just go over your blush, and this will fade things out. For highlighter, I'll be applying the Wet n Wild highlighter in the shade Precious Petals. If you want a more subtle look, you can use the highlighter from the same Maybelline Master Blush palette. It gives you a really natural finish. And for lipstick, I'll be using the MAC Retro Matte in the shade All Fired Up. And of course, finishing this look off with a bindi. So this is the final look. Wasn't it super easy to create? Thank you so much for watching, and happy Sankranti, Pongal and Lohri to everyone who's celebrating. Take care you guys, and give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed watching it, and also subscribe to my channel before you leave. Take care, and see you guys in my next one.